Hello everyone, this is Dr. Huma Ibrar. I wish you all a good day. This channel is all about international license exam guidance and material. And I'm here today to discuss topic that no one will explain to you in detail. Even if you ask consultants about it, they will charge you significant amount for this guidance. However, as always, I will explain everything to you without any fee. My aim is to help people with their career, and ultimately, no doubt, Allah is the provider of sustenance. So today, I'll guide physiotherapists who want to grow their career in Middle East like Qatar. Please pay close attention to this video and watch this video till end. In my previous video, I have shared details with you about who is exempt from the QCHP MOPH exam, that is license exam of Qatar, which means that they do not need to take the test or license exam to obtain a Qatar license. If you have not watched that video yet, please go and watch it. The link to that video is available in description box. In that video, I have explained in detail about who is exempt from the exam, such as physiotherapists or candidates who have master's degree and are interested to work in foreign countries or the Middle East and do not want to spend their money on exam procedures or data flow. In this video, I'll explain the reasons behind this in detail. Please watch this video until the end, and if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive important updates that can boost your career. Please also like this video if you find it helpful. Now, let's discuss the entire procedure with you. If you have a master's degree in physiotherapy and want to apply for a job in Qatar, you don't have to do anything. Like you don't have to spend any money or verify any documents before job. I'll repeat. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to spend any money, or you don't have to verify your documents before job. This is great option for students. All you have to do is apply for a job, and the process is quite simple. They have a website where you simply have to add your details, including your resume and documents. After uploading all this information, it goes to their HR department. Whenever they need to recruit, they will consider your details according to the vacancy. When they go through your documents, they will contact you and ask you to have them verified by Qatar Ministry. The advantage of this procedure is that you don't have to spend any extra money or go through any additional verification processes. Secondly, you don't have to hire any consultant for this procedure. You only need to apply for a job and they will contact you if they are interested. They'll also verify your papers from Ministry of Qatar. You don't have to do anything else. You may be wondering, which website is this? I'll show you the name of the website in screen now so that you can note it down. So just note it down, and you simply need to go to this website, click on Join Us and register. I'll repeat, you simply need to go to this website, click on Join Us and register. Then create your login ID and password. After creating your login ID and password, you have to fill in your personal details, employment details, and qualification details. I'll repeat the process again. You simply need to do is to click on the website, and then click on the Join Us and register. Create your login ID and password. Fill in your personal details, employment detail, qualification details. After that, you simply have to log out, and their team will consider your application if they are interested. Please share my video and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Also, follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Links are given below in description box. Thank you for watching this video.